Hello everybody. Thanks for coming to report about our club. Well, obviously we won in a dominant style, and congratulations to my guys. I mean, most of the game they were very focused, doing things that we want us to do.
Mes laimėjome akivaizdžiai, dominavome ir noriu pasveikinti ir pagirti savo žaidėjus už jų susitelkimą ir požiūrį šiose rungtynėse.
We really tried to stop their go-to players. I think we succeeded in most part of the game. And on the other end, we opened the game pretty good, shooting well and executing the plays. So at the end, it was like it was. So if you have any questions, I'll try to answer.
Mes sustabdėme jų lyderius ir sugebėjome žaisti savo žaidimą. Kuris klausimų?
Koks trenerio argumentas, priežastis neleisti anksčiau žaisti Redikui ir Brauskui?
I mean, not in the last quarter, but early.
I don't know. I have no explanation.
Coach, did you guys play well, or did the opposition play badly? How would you put it down?
Klausimas, ar jūs žaidė gerai, ar varžovai žaidė blogai?
Well, I believe in a simple thing that you always play good or bad according to what your opponent is doing. So if you play well and they play bad, I guess it's on us too. You know, like, we really put them out of the things they want to do. And we were pretty good in things that we planned to do. So that's the answer. A little bit political, but you know.
You made them play badly.
What?
You made them play badly.
Yeah, in a good part.
Trumpas atsakymas būtų toks, kad tiesiog mes žaidėme gerai ir toks mūsų žaidimas privertė varžovų žaisti blogai.
Coach, this game kind of best example how Rytas should play every time. Have you seen any bad things today?
Šios rungtynės galėtų būti pavyzdys, kad Rytas gali žaisti gerai, ar matėte tokių blogų dalykų?
Listen, you can find bad things in every game, in every team, best teams, good teams. So I mean, generally, I'm satisfied. We were running well, rebounding well, executing pretty well. So.
Blogų dalykų galime surasti bet kurios komandos žaidime. Gera tai irgi bloga komanda, bet šįkart mes viską darėme gerai, pataikėme gerai, kovojame dėl kamuolių, gerai judėjome aikštėje.
Problems are in front of us because we need to use Delis and Newly again. They're coming off the injuries.
Dabar mūsų tikslas ir problema artimiausiu metu vėl įtraukti į žaidimą Dilį ir Newly, kurie grįž po traumų.
And that's a big challenge for every team.
Ir tai iššūkis didelis būtų kiekvieną komandą.
Big challenge for every team. That's a part of the reason why the kids didn't play so much. I'm trying not to put guys who are in a good rhythm. I'm trying not to put them out of the rhythm, basically. That's what I'm trying.
Kodėl šįkart mažai žaidė jauni žaidėjai Dambrauskas ir Redikas, turime galvoje. Jeigu yra kiti žaidėjai pagavę gerą ritmą, tai nesinori jų išmušinėti.
And just to finish my answer to you, I apologize. Both of them are in let's call it extremely demanding style of work, different than the rest of the team. They practice more. They're not in a, let's call it, competitive shape. They practice more, they lift more, they run more. Everything what we are doing, they are doing more. So I don't want to make them look bad. Basically, I'm very protective, I mean, to those two guys. So that's it.
Treneris turėjo pabaigti tą atsakymą, kur prieš tai apie jaunus žaidėjus, kad jie iš tikrųjų dirba ir treniruojasi truputį kitų režimų negu visa komanda. Jiems tenka didesnis krūvis